Software provisioning allows you to create user accounts for your employees on your favorite tools like G Suite and Slack. Instead of creating employee accounts separately on each individual site, you can do this all within the Gusto dashboard. To get started, go to Settings, then click the Integrations tab. On this page, you'll be able to see popular apps that you can connect to, or find an app based on category. If you're on the core tier, you'll only be able to see email apps like G Suite and Microsoft. If you're on either of our premium tiers, you'll have access to other apps like Slack and Zoom as well. To change plans and take advantage of those additional apps, go to the Change Plans section. Now let's select an app and create and match accounts for employees. For today's example, let's connect Zoom. After clicking Connect, you will be taken to a page to log into your Zoom account. Make sure your login to this app is an admin account that has permissions to set up accounts for others. After connecting to an app, you'll be taken to a page where you can match employee accounts that already exist in the app to the employees you have in Gusto. In this example, we can see the employees that already exist in Zoom and match them to Gusto so their accounts are connected moving forward. You can change or edit the matching to make sure it's correct. After you've finished matching, click Match Accounts and your team's Zoom and Gusto accounts will be paired. You can remove and create additional accounts from this page moving forward.